Hey y'all, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel.
My name's Addison. I'm on her channel.
This is my sister-in-law. Say hey. She wanted to be a part of the video too. She's actually sleeping all day today. That's all she does. So today on my channel, we're going to do something very fun and different. We are going to be making candles. I think this is going to be a very fun little idea for you to do with your friends or family or your kids for this holiday season. Everybody loves the warmth of the flickering candle right now. And if you have been with me for a while, then you know that we don't burn candles at all anymore. We only use our diffusers. And once we learned how harmful that it was to burn all those different candles from like Bath and Body Works, Target, really anywhere unless it's made with essential oils and like a true fragrance and not the like lab made, chemical made fragrance, then you're actually doing your lungs damage. And not only that, it's candles are hormone disruptors. They are bad for your allergies, bad for asthma. They are skin irritants, so many bad things. They're also known to cause the big sickness that's been around for years, the big C. And so you can Google all that. Just go to Google and type in, are candles bad for you? And it'll give you a list of reasons why you should not be burning candles. We went into Bath and Body Works this year and we have filmed all their favorite scents that are out and about for the fall time, and we decided to come home, get on Pinterest and type in like marshmallow fireside diffuser blend, and it gave us exactly all the essential oils and how many drops that we needed to use to make that scent. And so that is what we're going to be sharing with y'all today. We are so excited about this. If you want to know more information about this and join us in the oily community, then you can email me at simplylakeandlace@yahoo.com and I will help you out and hook you up. So these are the oils that we're going to be using. These are young living oils. They are the purest of pure of the essential oils, come from plants. There is no like fillers or artificial scents or anything like that in these. And so this is what we're going to be using to make our candles. So let's go on into the kitchen and I'll share with y'all everything that you need to make these. This is all the supplies that you're going to need to make these candles. So we picked up these from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby had so many cute little like votives that you could use. So these are the ones that we made first to practice on, and I love them. This is like a very pretty bronze mercury glass. This one's Addison's, and this one is mine. It is an amber glass jar. And then I purchased this one also, and this is just a straight up mercury glass. We found these at the Target dollar spot, and they look just like the little one wick candles at Bath and Body Works. So we grabbed these. If you can't find them at your Target dollar spot, I'm sure you can find them on Amazon somewhere. And then this is the other supplies. We grabbed this from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need 100% natural soy wax. Again, you can grab this at Hobby Lobby. And then you're going to need some wood wicks. And they come with the little stands. And then you're going to need a boiler and a little glass bowl to put on top of it to make a double boiler to melt your wax. And then you're going to need a little measuring cup, some scissors, and of course a lighter. You're going to need some Young Living essential oils if you're wanting to do this the all natural way. You're going to need a hot glue gun, and then if you're going to invest in these type of jars, then you're going to need some labels. So I got these off of Amazon. They're just 2x4 labels. If you're going to buy these jars, you won't need these.
No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Okay, now you're going to do the double boiler method, and you're going to use a pot and fill it halfway full with water, and then get a glass little bowl and put on top of it. We've already been using this one because we had to practice. Now we have perfected it. And then you're gonna turn it on.
I'm putting it about 7.
Then we're gonna put it on
Medium high.
medium high. Then you're gonna take your 100% natural soy wax and put it in here. Now make sure when you go get your wax, you get all natural wax, or this is gonna defeat the purpose of doing a more healthier candle. Now we're gonna take these wood wicks that I also got from Hobby Lobby, and we love these because they crackle like a fire, and we are going to put them on their little stands, and then you have to have your hot glue gun to glue it down in the bottom to make it stand up. And then she is eyeballing it because we need to cut the wick, and you want to cut it at an angle. Dab of glue.
I just eyeball it on the center. I can get it pretty center just by looking.
And we're doing this to hold it steady.
Hold it still. Press down for a few seconds.
Now we did have a problem with these staying lit, but we've learned that every time before you relight them, you need to trim off the excess, like burnt edges, the black. I actually think that the rope wicks may burn better, but I'm not real sure. For some reason, I think that I heard that those were toxic and they set off different fumes also. So I need to look into that. But if you could find like maybe a beeswax wick or something, that would be fine. So we may try to test that out next time we go to Hobby Lobby if they have something like that.
It is pouring.
This one is the flannel one from Bath & Body Works. Has all of these oils in it. And then this one right here is the sweater weather from Bath & Body Works. Only 3 of the oils go in it. This one right here is the leaves from Bath & Body Works. So this is all the oils that we needed. And there is a little graphic that I found, and it does the math on it. Burning these candles with the Young Lemon oils is actually more cost efficient than the Bath & Body Works candles. These smaller 5M bottles have about 90 drops in it. This goes a very long way. The wax is melted, and we are going to pour it in here so it doesn't make that big of a mess when we go to pour it. Now we're going to pour it into our jars, and the reason the first time that we did this, we put our essential oils right into the wax, and it actually burnt up the smell of the oils. You're not supposed to put oils into hot or cold. And so we're gonna pour it in here first, let it cool down a little bit, then we're gonna drop our oils into the candle. And now we let it cool for about 15 minutes. Just make sure that it's cool to touch, and then where it's not hard. And we're gonna put about 10 drops each in there.
I may do a little more.
A little more?
Just depending on what you want to do.
You really can't mess them up. As long as you have the right essential oils, you can put as many drops as you want to in there, but we're not gonna be stingy. Now we're gonna take this little wooden dowel, and we're gonna take 1/2 to stir around this one. And then once she drops her oils in this one, she's gonna flip it over and use this other part to stir in all the scents into this one. The next one that we're gonna be making is the Marshmallow Fireside, and this one calls for vetiver, and vetiver is like a syrup, I feel like, in the bottle.
It's like maple syrup coming out.
So you have to be patient. But then once it starts dropping, it gets going. I've seen a lot of people kind of put it in their hands and warm it up a little bit, or put it under warm water and let it loosen. Don't do it under too hot though, or you'll mess up the properties in it.
It drips like syrup.
So how many drops of this one are you gonna do?
That was 3 or 4, I don't know.
So what we're gonna share with y'all, these graphics.
We're gonna do 10.
So these graphics that you're seeing that I'm sharing with y'all is what you would use to put in the diffuser, but in the candle you're gonna need to do more. So you might wanna double or triple it from what the little graphics are sharing.
Sometimes if you have a thick oil that's hard to come out, I kind of rock it like this. Hold it and rock it, and then tip it. And it just kind of comes out a little easier.
Next we're going to be making the candle flannel, and so this one is going to be bergamot, cedarwood, patchouli, nutmeg, cardamom, and cassia. Cassia is actually a form of cinnamon bark, and we love this one more than cinnamon bark. It is amazing. It goes in and out of stock, but once this one comes back in stock, you have got to grab it. This one is so good. It only comes in the big bottle though, but I promise you, you're going to want to order at least 2. I order 2 every time they come out. We made these cute little labels with the computer, and like I said, I just ordered these off Amazon. I do want to make the labels a little bit more cute, but this was just all test runs, so we're excited. We're gonna make some Christmas ones also, and this is how we have them labeled so far. So she stuck these on here so we could remember what scent was which, and then this is what it looks like. Like I said, I really think that I could come up with I really wanted to do a little scarf on top right here a little fire right here, a leaf on here, and then on the other one do a little sweater. We just played around with it for the first time today, and it took us forever to figure out how to print these labels. So I'll play around with it on maybe on the Christmas ones and make them even cuter, but I think that they turned out pretty cute. So we ran out of wax for last video, so I went ahead and went on Amazon and ordered a big old bag. I think this is a 5-pound bag of 100% soy wax. And then also I ordered one of these because Kayla Friday told me this was so much easier and you didn't have to worry about cleaning your little Pyrex glasses and bowls. So we're gonna use this one today, and then I won't ever have to like clean it out or anything. I can just always have this to make my candles because we actually love our candles and we're gonna be making a lot more of them. So I went ahead and purchased this, a big bag, and then instead of this little wood wick, I purchased these this time. Actually, we've used these wood wicks before, and I didn't know how well they were gonna burn, but thankfully they've been burning really well, and they have that little crackling sound to it. So I do love these, but I got these just to try also to see which one we kind of liked better. And we have one more that we have to make to go on this one. So this one I was going to do sweater weather, and it comes with these. Then I'm also going to do a Christmas spirit one for Christmas time because it's just around the corner. And actually I'll probably start burning it now because we love the way that this smells. So Christmas spirit is a blend of orange, cinnamon, and black spruce. Oh my gosh, if you have never tried Christmas Spirit, you just don't know what you're missing out. If you want to order a bottle of Christmas Spirit from me, you can message me. It's only around like $10 for the smaller bottle. You actually can't buy the big ones. Maybe it'll come in stock. Young Living's holiday Christmas catalog launch is going to be coming out soon, like October 23rd or 24th, I believe. And they launched some awesome stuff, new products on that holiday catalog. You can follow me on my Instagram page to see what all the new stuff that's going to be released. And they may do a big bottle of Christmas Spirit, I'm not sure, but you can get a small bottle that has like 90 drops in it for like around $10. So this smells phenomenal. You can just purchase this from me if you're not interested in anything else, just to see what this smells like. I like to put this on the crown of my head. Your head acts as a diffuser and you can smell it all day. Oh my gosh, it makes you so happy. Like, this is what Christmas smells like. So I'm going to use that, but then I'm also going to add a little bit more cassia, which is basically like is in the same family as the cinnamon bark. It's just a little bit stronger. And then also I'm going to add some more orange. So I'm going to use all these to make my little Christmas spirit candle. Went ahead and filled up this little container with the wax and just put it straight on the stove. Starting to melt now. This is genius. If you're gonna make candles, you need to order this. Like, if you're gonna, look at that, looks like a ghost. If you're gonna start making candles, I would highly recommend using this instead of the little Pyrex measuring cups, because y'all, that was a pain to clean out. This is gonna be so much easier cleanup. You think that you put a lot in there, and it's not. Okay, here we go. I'm probably gonna have to melt some more. Yep. Oh wait, maybe not. Oh, perfect. Don't you love it when that happens? Okay, I know I've already said this, but I'm gonna mention it again. Don't forget to let these cool off to the touch, because the first time we made these, we put in the oils first, and you're not supposed to let your oils get hot or really cold, or it messes up the properties and the scent gets all messed up. They distill these just perfectly. So let this wax cool a lot. And then also want to point out that the candles smell good, but they do not put off near the scent as these diffusers do. These diffusers put off the scent so much better than even any candle. It fills up the room with such a nice and fresh aroma. I'm telling you, it's so much better than a candle. I used to be obsessed with candles from Bath & Body Works until I discovered these, and then I was like, I have been missing out my whole life. These put off so much better, and the smell is just so much more fresh and crisp. I'm telling you, once you start burning these and you go back to a candle and you smell it, you're like, all I smell is like lab-made fragrance. You're not smelling like the true aroma of plants. It's totally different. I cannot even describe it to y'all. Y'all know, if you've ordered these before, let us all know in the comments how much better this scent is than those candles. It is like so pure and refreshing. But it's still nice to have the candles because the candles are cute for little decorations sitting around. It's fun making them because who doesn't love doing little DIYs? Making up the labels are really cute. This has been really fun doing, and just to have that candle flicker, it's so nice. So this is another option. So fun. As you can see, it's kind of hardening. The wax is still in there, but I don't have to worry about cleaning it out. I'll just tuck it away with all my candle supplies, and then whenever I'm ready to use again, I'll just pull it back out and remelt it. So this was genius. I'm telling you, you need one of these. It's not fun cleaning that glass. Oh gosh, I can already smell that. If you actually look up this candle on Bath & Body Works, you can, because some of the ones on Pinterest, the graphics, they give you kind of different options on what other people want to use. But if you want the exact scent, what I did is I went to Bath & Body Works and I typed on the candle, so you would search for sweater weather. I went to the description and I looked up the scents that made up that, and it was eucalyptus, sage, and juniper. So I was able to grab those oils, and that's how I made it smell exactly like the one at Bath & Body Works, but like 10 times better. What I'm gonna do is the Christmas spirit one. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video with us today on how we made these candles. I love how they turned out. I think they are so cute, and they give off that warm, cozy feeling that we all want this time of year. If y'all are new to my channel and love these kind of videos with all the holiday decorating and then everything essential oils, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here with me over on my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram at SIMPLYLAKEANDLACE and see kind of day in the lives and everything that we're doing. We've been sharing how we've been making these candles for a couple of days now, so you kind of get behind the scenes of what's going on over here. I hope that y'all have a wonderful, blessed rest of your week, and I'll see you guys on the next one.